What's up, everybody? Justin with AmericanTrucks.com here with a quick little update on our status during this coronavirus situation. Now, as you guys all know, we're on this crazy ride together, for better or worse, right? But we're all doing what we can to get through these challenging times. And I just wanted to let you guys know that our site, AmericanTrucks.com, is open. We are up and running with our customer service team, ready to help you out with your calls, while also safely delivering your orders in a timely fashion. Now, as committed as we are to helping you guys, our customers, we are just as committed to the safety of all of our staff here at American Trucks. Now, in fact, most of our teams are working remotely from home, including our awesome customer service team. They might even be taking your calls in their PJs or trying to keep their dog from jumping up on their lap. But just know that that's our situation right now. That's the situation of a lot of this country. So that doesn't change anything. We are still here. We are still ready to help you out, answer your calls, help you with some wheel and tire picks. Whatever the case, man, we are definitely here for you. Our distribution center, on the other hand, well, they've also taken all of the necessary precautions, safety measures, all that good stuff, and they're working very hard, as always, to fulfill and ship every single order as quickly as possible. Now, I guess you could say the bright side of this rather unfortunate situation is that a lot of us, including myself, have some extra time on our hands right now. And as always, number one priority, friends, family, loved ones, we have to make sure they are all good, safe, and in good health. But if you do find yourself with some extra time on your hands, hey, turn a few wrenches on that rig out in the garage or driveway, maybe install a few new parts you've been sitting on over the holidays or over the winter. Whatever the case, just get your mind off this craziness going on right now, throw on some good tunes, pop a beer, and just kind of lose yourself in your project. That's really all I can say right now. Now, if you still need a few things to maybe take up some of your time, feel free to check out our YouTube channel, right? Shameless plug. We got a ton of cool stuff on there for you guys to check out, including a lot of our builds, maybe give you some ideas for the summertime coming up, our how-tos, and also some product videos as well. And as always, subscribe if you haven't already done so. We certainly appreciate it. But wrapping things up here, guys, listen, we are all in this together, right? And we will get through it. Now, please continue to follow all of these safe practices that you've been hearing a million times, right? Washing your hands, disinfecting surfaces, social distancing. I know it gets repetitive, but it is very important so we can hopefully get back to a normal sense of life here sooner rather than later. Also, very important to follow the local guidelines in your area to make sure you are staying up to date with all the safety regulations and local laws and so on. But hey, guys, that's going to do it for me. I'm Justin again from AmericanTrucks.com. Be strong, be kind to each other, be nice, be there for your family, have fun with your kids, turn a few wrenches, and hey, we'll see you on the flip side. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'm Justin, all things trucks. Keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.